Thrust set.
Check.
100 knots.
Check.
V1. Rotate. Engine failure. Positive rate.
You're up. Pull runway heading. Heading.
Checked.
Autopilot 1. ECAM actions.
Engine 1 fire. Thrust lever 1 idle.
Confirm thrust lever 1.
Thrust lever 1 confirmed. Engine master 1 off confirmed. Thrust engine master 1.
Engine master 1 confirmed.
Engine 1 fire push button push confirmed. Engine 1 fire push button.
Engine 1 fire push button confirmed.
Engine 1 discharged. ATC notified. Fire is out. Engine 1 fail. Engine mode selector. Ignition. If no damage, engine 1 relay. We had a fire.
Denver Tower, Frontier Flight 1 declaring an emergency. We're in the right turn, heading 350, request lower altitude.
Frontier Flight 1, maintain 8,000.
Maintain 8,000, Frontier Flight 1. Open climb, heading 8,000.
8,000. Check. Shutdown. If no fuel leak, imbalance, monitor.
Stop ECAM. Flaps 1.
Checked. Flaps 1.
Continue ECAM.
TCAS mode select. TA. Avoid icing conditions. Clear engine 1.
Clear engine 1.
It's an amber. Land ASAP. Air bleed. Pack 2 is picked up to bleed. You're pressurizing. Clear bleed.
Clear bleed.
Electric. Gen 2 is powering AC bus 1 and 2.
Start the APU. 7,000, climbing 8,000.
Checked. APU is starting. Clear electric.
Clear electric.
Hydraulic. PTU is pressurizing the green system. All systems are pressurized. Clear hydraulic.
Clear hydraulic.
Status.
Stop ECAM. Flap 0.
Checked. Flap 0.
After takeoff checklist.
After takeoff checklist is complete.
Continue ECAM.
Status. Avoid icing conditions if severe ice accretion. Minimum speed VLS plus 10 green dot. Maneuver with care. Landing distance procedures apply. If no engine 1 damage, consider engine 1 relay. Cat 3 single only. In-op systems. Wing anti-ice. Cat 3 dual. Engine 1 bleed. Pack 1. Gen 1. Green engine 1 pump. Clear status.
Clear status.
ECAM actions are complete.
All right, let's reference the applicable QRH procedures.
Flight crews must reference the QRH procedures prior to landing. This contains all the need to know or layer 1 information.
QRH procedures complete.
Now let's reference the applicable abnormal and emergency procedures.
Unless the crew determines that the aircraft should be landed immediately and further delay would increase the risk to safety, the flight crew should reference the Abnormal and Emergency Procedures section for any Layer 2 information. Even though this started as an Engine 1 fire, the fire has been extinguished, and the crew should reference the Engine 1 or 2 shutdown in the Abnormal and Emergency Procedures section. As we review the Engine 1 or 2 shutdown, we are looking for any applicable Layer 2 information. This will have an L2 next to the text, as well as the text being italicized or lowercase. Not all Layer 2 information applies, because the Abnormal Emergency Procedures section will list every possible scenario for the ECAM. In this case, if electrical emergency config does not apply, but we can see under Engine Mode Select Ignition, there is Layer 2 information that is applicable to the flight crew. Some important notes to highlight here. Because the Engine 1 fire push button switch is pushed, the APU bleed must not be used. This is because of the location of the Engine 1 fire push button switch in relation to the crossbleed valve.
Abnormal emergency procedures were complete.
Alt start.
Checked.
Alt.
Checked.
Speed.
Checked.